Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is MCQ and IGK. MCQ means you know that multiple choice question, and IGK means Islamic general knowledge. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 9 and SW number 8. Lecture number 9 and SW number 8. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 5 MCQ and 8 IGK. My dear students, in our previous class we have learned 5 MCQ, and today we will learn 5 MCQ and 8 IGK. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written matching. A mistake here, it will be MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, my dear students, our 6th number question is, most mosques have, what will be the answer? Here there are two options, my dear students. Number A, tall towers. Number B, tall mihrabs. Yes, our answer will be tall towers, because you know that most mosques have tall towers. In this regard, our answer will be A, option A. Now question number 7, my dear students, how many times is Hajj forced in a Muslim's lifetime? What will be the answer, my dear students? Option A or option B? Yes, our answer will be option B, at least once. At least once. You know that, because you know that, my dear students, at least once time is Hajj forced in a Muslim's lifetime. In this regard, our answer will be option B. Now question number 8, my dear students, for performing the prayer, washing certain parts of the body is called, what will be the answer? Number A, wudu, or number 2, tayammum. Yes, our answer will be wudu, because for performing the prayer, washing certain parts of the body is called wudu. And you know that also, my dear students. In this regard, our answer will be option A, wudu. Now, my dear students, question number 9, Islam rests on, what will be the answer? 5 pillars or 3 pillars? Yes, my dear students, 5 pillars, because you know that there are 5 pillars of Islam, and Islam rests on 5 pillars. In this regard, our answer will be option A. Now question number 10, before sunset we perform the prayer of dash. Before sunset we perform the prayer of dash. What will be the right answer, my dear students? Option A is Maghrib and option B is Asr. Our answer will be option B, Asr, because you know that we have to perform Asr prayer before sunset. In this regard, our answer will be now here number B, Asr. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have learned MCQ, 5 MCQ. Now we will learn Islamic general knowledge, IGK, Islamic general knowledge. Question number 1, my dear students, which surah is called the Ummul Quran? Our answer will be Surah Fatiha. Which surah is called the Ummul Quran? Surah Fatiha. My dear students, you know that Surah Fatiha is called mother of the Holy Quran, and in Arabic term it is called Ummul Quran. In this regard, our answer will be Surah Fatiha. Now question number 2, my dear students, which is the first complete surah? Which is the first complete surah? Our answer will be Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha. My dear students, you know that there are 114 surah in the Holy Quran, but Surah Fatiha is the first complete surah. Now question number 3, what is the meaning of the Al-Quran? What is the meaning of the Al-Quran? Answer is the recitation. Answer is the recitation. Now question number 4. By how many days did Allah make this world? By how many days did Allah make this world? Answer is in 6 days. Our answer will be in 6 days. Because my dear students, Allah has taken 6 days to make this world. In this regard, answer will be in 6 days. Now question number 5. What is the meaning of the word hadith? What is the meaning of the word hadith? Answer will be word or message, etc. Word or message. Hadith means word or message, etc. Then question number 6. How many types of roja are there? How many types of roja are there? What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, our answer will be 6 types. There are 6 types of roja. In this regard, answer will be 6 types. Now question number 7. Which one is the first duty of Hajj? Which one is the first duty of Hajj? Answer will be binding ihram. Binding ihram. Binding ihram is the first duty of Hajj. In this regard, answer will be binding ihram. Now my dear students, our last number IGK, that means Islamic general knowledge, and number 8. Who is called the second Adam? Who is called the second Adam? Answer will be Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Answer will be Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Because you know that, my dear students, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is called the second Adam. In this regard, answer will be Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 5 MCQ and 8 IGK, that means Islamic general knowledge. And my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you know that today is our SW number 8. SW number 8, and you will make SW at your home. IGK from 1 to 5. You will make SW at your home, only IGK from 1 to 5. My dear students, from 1 to 5 you will make SW at your home as SW number 8. My dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.